Watching, you got a Galaxy S10 and you're trying to do a hard reset to wipe it out. It's got a lock on it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that, because every time you have to do this when the phone is turned off, and every time you try to turn it off it tells you to enter the password. Well, you don't know the password. Here's how you're going to bypass that. You have to do a forced reset, and this is really tricky to get, but I'm going to keep trying until I get it for you guys. So it's the volume down button and the power button at the same time for about 13 seconds. And then you're going to switch to the Bixby button, volume up, and the power button. All right, here I'm going to try it for you guys. Hopefully we can get it the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to switch to these three, and hopefully we can get it. And oh, I think we're going to get it on the first shot. That's awesome if it works. Usually it takes me about 4 or 5 tries. I'm not kidding. There we go. We got it. There you go. Now you got some options on the screen here. Reboot System Now. Let me read all the options. Oh, I'm hitting the Bixby button. Volume down. Reboot to bootloader. Apply update. Apply wipe data factory. That's the one we want. And when you scroll down to that with the down button, you're going to hit the power button. And now we're going to do factory data reset. Hit down one time with this volume, push the power, and that's how you reset it, quick and easy. And now everything should be wiped. We're going to go to Reboot System Now. You know what? I'm going to wipe the cache too. Wipe the cache. Now, if you don't know your Google Gmail account, that's still going to be a problem. So now I'm going to hit Reboot System Now, and now when it turns on, the phone should be reset with no password. And that's how you do that. This works on all the Samsung Galaxy S10es, the S10s, and the other ones. So I just wanted to make a quick video because people got 20-minute videos on YouTube. And if this video helped you out, all I ask is for a thumbs up and copy exactly what I did. You should have no problem with that. And that's about it. I just want to show you guys that it worked. So if you want to stop watching, go ahead. Or if you want to keep watching, keep watching. Alright, so that's it. The phone's been reset. That's the screen you're going to end up on. If you know the Gmail account, hopefully if you did find the phone or something like that, there won't be a Google lock account on that when you get to the home screen. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.